How to share Instagram music through DMs. Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Talks. Today I'm going to show you how we can share Instagram music in DMs. First, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure to log into your account. After you're logged in, make sure to find the Instagram music that you want to share to your friends or family. Tap on the music and you can see something like this on your screen. Now at the top right you can see share symbol. Tap on it. Here you can find your friends to whom you want to share the music. Tap on all the friends that you want to send the music and click send. And that's it. That is how you share your Instagram music to your friends. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give a big thumbs up and subscribe Tech Talks for more similar kind of tech content.